In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Audible desktop account. By the end, you'll have your account ready to go so you can start exploring audiobooks right from your computer. First, open your preferred desktop browser and head to the official Audible website. Make sure you're on the correct regional site for your country so pricing and content match your location. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and select Sign In. Even if you're creating a brand new account, this is the quickest way to get to the right place. On the sign in page, you'll see an option to create a new account. Choose Create Your Amazon account. Audible is part of the Amazon family, so the same credentials you create here will sign you into Audible on the desktop. You'll now see a form asking for your name, an email address, a password, and a password confirmation. Enter your name as you'd like it to appear on your account. Use an email address you check regularly since important account updates and purchase receipts will go there. When creating your password, choose something strong and unique. Combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using the same password you use elsewhere. Re-enter the password carefully to confirm there are no typos. If your browser or a password manager offers to save it, that can be a helpful way to keep it secure. When everything looks good, click Create Your Amazon account. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear. You may see a quick security check. If the system tells you the email is already associated with an account, simply go back and sign in instead of creating a duplicate. After your new account is created, you'll be directed back to Audible, signed in and ready to continue. From here, take a moment to set up your account to match your preferences. Visit your account settings to confirm your region, add a payment method if you plan to purchase audiobooks, and review notification options so you only receive the emails you want. You can browse categories, sample a few titles to test audio quality, and add interesting books to your wish list. If you're new to the platform, look over the membership details and credit information so you understand how purchases and monthly credits work before you buy. That's it. Your Audible desktop account is created and set up. You're now ready to explore, sample, and start listening. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any section as you get started and enjoy discovering your next great listen.